Cherry Castro.
Cherry Castro. I remember Cherry Castro. Yeah, I think we went to school together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Cherry Castro. Yeah, and we even had the circumcision together. Right, Cherry? Yeah. Cherry Castro used to be a man.
Ako si pambansang kulo, kaya't ako'y laging handa. Hatid ko lamang ay saya, miski na bata matanda. Kung madami mang problema sa buhay,
Ang tawanan, abot ng magdamagan.
Hi there mga Kulokoys and welcome to another video. Mukbang video because today is Friday. And,
Can't wait. I've been waiting all day.
ano bang kinain mo this lunch?
Salad.
Ay, salad lang talaga. Di gutom na gutom ka na,
Oo
te.
nga, I'm so hungry.
Pero bago kami mag-umpisa mga best friend, before we start this delicious mukbang, we would like to say thank you to Ribline. Ribline and my handsome friend Brian. I bet you Brian is watching right now. And see look at our shirts. Oh, see even
Supporting.
yeah, we'll support.
Supporting the locals.
Exactly. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Even the bull is wearing a mask. So, yeah, oh,
I didn't even
you didn't
know.
notice that? Yeah, look at that. See, even the bull is wearing a mask. So, wear a mask because it's a must. Galing ka, no? Okay, umpisa na natin to.
Okay.
So Ribline is known for their best barbecues. Yeah, pork barbecue, beef barbecue. Oh my goodness, name it, they have it. Okay, so this is our first item that we are going to do. That we're gonna eat. Oh my lord.
Wow.
Beef ribs. We'll take it out there.
Wow. Oh my God, I can't wait.
Ooh. So there's the ribs. Okay, that's just the ribs. We also, I really got a lot for you, Maritas.
Okay.
And we have some tri-tips. Some tri-tips. Ay na po, it smells so good. There is the tri-tip, mga best friend. Oh, it's already sliced. Wow. Oh boy. Naapaw, magimas. Yan. It's not gonna be complete without some ano ba to? Appetizers. So I got this steak fries.
Wow.
There you go. Steak fries. Hi. So we get some sauce there. Let's put it here. Let's put it here also. Yeah. So ano? There you go. So guys, for my California people, okay, if you guys are visiting the Central Coast, please visit Ribline because if you guys ever watched the Man vs. Food before, Man vs. Food with Adam Richman, you know, the guy with the big appetite and he eats a lot.
He was there?
He was there.
Wow.
Yeah, he did the Brahma Bull. Brahma Bull
good.
challenge. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, let's get started.
Of course.
Yes. Guys, look at this. And we also have some salad over here. It's salad. Salsa. Yeah, salsa over here. You use this with the tri-tip. You're not gonna eat rice? No? Okay. So here's the tri-tip with a little bit of salsa. You know,
That's so good.
it's so tender. It's so tender, it's so juicy. It's moist, it's not dry. This is what you call barbecue, guys. But mabalik tayo, by the way. I was telling them earlier, you know, if you guys, my California friends, if they ever wanna visit the Central Coast, stop by Ribline. Their address, we'll put it on the bottom. Okay, so our the description box. It will be there. Their address. They have, I believe, they have 3 locations here in the Central Coast.
Right.
They have, I believe, Pismo, San Luis, and I think the other one is Los Osos. Yeah, but the address nasa baba. Okay, so check it out. And if you guys ever stop by there, look for the handsome guy. His name is Brian. Yeah, very handsome guy.
Is he a chef or he just owns the place?
Oh, Brian?
He dresses like a chef on the videos.
Yeah, cause he cooks also.
Oh,
so I guess
okay.
he's also a chef. Yeah. This tri-tip
French fries.
French fries is so good. It's so tasty also. Yeah. Oh, there's some pulled pork in it, not just tri-tip. My pulled pork. It was worth the wait, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because Marita, she just got back from the work.
From work.
Oh, and by the way, guys, we're not just gonna eat here, okay? While we are doing the mukbang, we are going to be doing shout outs also. And if you are wondering why we are speaking in the dollar sign, is because Brian, my friend, he's
American.
He's American, so I can't speak Tagalog or Ilocano. I have to speak a dollar sign, right? Yeah. So if you guys don't want to hear me speak a dollar sign, go to another channel. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. But.
So when you went there, it's just pick up.
Just pick up or delivery. But it depends where they're gonna deliver it. They have their own route.
Yeah,
You know,
but we live far, so we have to go.
you
You have to go pick it up.
Yeah.
It's like 20 minutes,
Yeah.
25 minutes.
There's the guys. There's the ribs. Let me try. I believe this is ketchup. Come on, you need to eat Marites. You said you are hungry. You said you only eat salad today. This salsa is so good also, and they make their own salsa. I kept saying salad. My goodness, salsa. And also, if you guys wanna check it out on YouTube, also what I'm talking about, the Brahma Bull, Brahma BRAHN space BULL challenge, Brahma Bull challenge. You guys can see Adam Richman and also Ribline, and you can see Brian also.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was still a baby there. Baby, like I mean, he was still young there.
So that's long time ago.
Yeah, I believe 2 to 3 years ago, if I'm not mistaken.
I love fries.
Oh, I love the tri-tip. The tri-tip is so good. It's so it's so tender. So, why don't we start doing the shout out while we're eating? Why don't you shout out the first one?
First one is AE Top Global.
Oh, actually it's
AE Top 1 Global.
So I believe that's a YouTube channel. Yeah. Inulit ko, AE Top 1 Global. Yan, shout out sa inyo ha. If that's a YouTube channel, guys, please let's support that channel also. So there's another extra salsa over here. Oh, this is a barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna open this ano ulit to? Ranch?
Yeah.
I believe this is for the French fries. Let's put it here. Do you mind?
Go ahead.
Yeah. There you go. Now I'm gonna try their barbecue. I guess this barbecue sauce right here, it's their own recipe. Let's dip it in the barbecue sauce like that. Oh, and then let's subo. Ito oh. Oh, you know what? Their barbecue sauce is so good. You should try it. I'm sorry, I have to use my hands with the French fries. I now love the barbecue sauce. It's so good. Rubber.
This is not our first time to eat Ribline.
Yeah, but
We've been there so many times. It's really good.
yeah, whenever we're craving for a good barbecue, we always go to Ribline. Ayan. You know, like simot na simot. Look at that. Good shit. Okay, so our next shout out for today will be
How do you say that? Iwik Mukbang.
yeah, Ewik Mukbang. I wonder what kind of video he does. Ayan, Ewik Mukbang. So I believe that's another YouTube channel. Ang sarap nito, ano? Para akong caveman. Oh, shout out ko, be.
Next one is Erica Panello.
Hi, Erica. French fries, pulled pork. Okay. Next na isa-shoutout natin, Paula Collado. Hi, Paula. Kain tayo, Paula. Sarap. Let's eat. Now I'm gonna try their salsa. Talagang you really love the tri-tip. No, it's really good.
I'm gonna give him a piece. So I can stop.
Yeah. If you guys can hear our dog, he's crying over there. Every time I do a mukbang, he's always crying because
I'm gonna give him a couple of pieces.
yeah, because every time I do a mukbang, I think he knows. Oh, see? Oh, it's just barbecue sauce. Okay. Next na ating kasi shout out, Marites.
Daniel Lotero
Na
Daniel Lotero from Bacoor, Cavite.
Danielle over there in Cavite. I hope you guys are safe over there. Try this one again, oh. Did you try the barbecue sauce?
Yeah.
It's so good. It's no more french fries. Maubos ko ng french fries. Sarap talaga na the tri-tip, so good. Yeah. This is what we're going to do. We dip it like this, and then just bite into it.
Next shout out goes to Teofilo. Wait. Next shout out goes to Teofilo Madrazo.
Chufilo, Madrazo, what's up, man? Masarap pala pag kinain mong ganito. Sarap. You can taste also the smoky barbecue. You know? There, look. Okay, so while I'm dipping this to this very good barbecue sauce, my next person to shout out is Kikay Cravings. Ba?
Ayan.
Kikay Cravings. I bet you that's also a YouTube channel. And it looks like she also does mukbangs. Sarap talaga nitong barbecue sauce is so good, yeah. The sweetness of a barbecue sauce. Okay, Marites, next
Next is Rolling Remedios.
Rolling Remedios. I don't know if that's just a name or it's a YouTube channel.
Of course it's just the name.
Ang sarap. Look at Marites, she really loves the tri-tip.
Very good.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat one more of this one. Yeah. How about you?
I still have this.
Ayan. Okay, so next. Who's
Next is Berna Bon.
Oh, Bernabon! Bon voyage! Bernabon, yeah. Hi, Berna! Okay, next na isa-shoutout natin, I see.
Pauline R. Gilos.
Pauline, kumusta ka na? Siguro laki-laki mo na. Ayan. See? No, because I told them my last mukbang. So that, you know, because
You're
I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean. No, it's not clean. No, because I told them that from now on, I'm gonna let you know also, every time we do a mukbang video, we're gonna do shout outs while we're doing the mukbang. Because a lot of you guys, I know, a lot of you guys are want us to do shout out. So I think that's the only way we can do it. You know? Yeah, because sometimes when you're eating, it's hard to have a conversation. So maybe, you know, when we're doing the shout outs, at least we're saying something. So, diba? Oh. Ang kamakaangasan.
It's just hard to eat.
And you know what, guys? Beef, it's good for you because it's pure protein. Okay. Who's our next person?
Geneva Sorbeto.
Geneva Sorbeto.
Are we full?
A little bit. Okay, who's our next ano?
Sherry Castro.
Cherry Castro. I remember Cherry Castro. Yeah, I think we went to school together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Cherry Castro. Yeah, and we even had the circumcision together. Right, Cherry? Yeah. Cherry Castro used to be a man.
Stop it.
Joke lang, Cherry. It's just a joke. Hi, Cherry. So good. So, okay mga best friend. Thank you very much for watching this mukbang video. This Ribline mukbang video. And we'll see you guys again sa mga na-shoutout namin. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Once again, Ribline, thank you very much. Brian, thank you very much. So once again mga Crew Lokoys, till next video.